Nokia, the legend is back with a bang. If you're looking for a killer 5G smartphone in the mid-range segment, Nokia is about to drop a blockbuster device that will blow your mind. Packed with a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera and the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, all of this at an unbelievable price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Dragon Pro 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. So, buckle up and let's get started. Features of Nokia Dragon Pro 5G. Display. Get ready for a stunning 6.92-inch 4K Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching, this screen is pure eye candy. Plus, it comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for that premium feel. DSLR level camera. This beast rocks a triple camera setup, led by a massive 200-megapixel primary lens. And that's not all, you also get a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens for insane detail. Selfie lovers, rejoice! There's a 50-megapixel front shooter, ready to make your Instagram game strong. Performance. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset brings powerful performance, gaming, multitasking, everything will feel liquid smooth. And yes, it runs on the latest Android 16 straight out of the box. Battery backup. A huge 7500 mAh battery keeps you going all day and night. And when it's time to recharge, 120-watt super fast charging juices it up in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The base variant is expected to start at around $700, making it a killer deal for a 5G phone. As for the launch date, Nokia is likely to unveil it by the end of this year.